Hello, this is a fun video for my niece Ava, and I'm going to show her how to make a paper fortune teller out of printer paper. So this is a printer paper, and it's a rectangle because the sides are not the same. So the first thing we have to do is to make a square out of this. So we fold over one corner so it's perfect with the edges here. Increase it. And then this piece, what here will be a perfect square. So we need to get rid of this piece. And the way to do it is you fold this over so it's on the edge. Crease it. Now there's two ways to do this. You can open this up and take scissors and cut right along that line. But what I like to do is I like to fold it back on itself using my fingernail to really get that crease good. And then you're able to carefully tear this piece off. Okay. Now what's left over is a square. And there's a crease from this diagonal. Now we want to make a crease from this diagonal. So we fold over a piece of paper. And this, while this step isn't necessary, it makes, some of the folds easier. You want to try to get it as straight as possible. Doesn't have to be perfect because it will still work. And so now we have a piece of paper that has a crease going from corner to corner. And the reason we do that is we take these and fold them roughly to the center of that crease. Right, and we do that. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be close. And we repeat on each corner. And you can tell this, this is a little bit cattywampus, but it'll work. Now we take it and we turn it over, and we fold each of these corners to roughly the center. Notice the little gap. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then once that is done, I think it's easiest to fold it twice. So you fold this in half, and then you fold that in half, and kind of press it down and crease it. Because what that does is when you stick your thumbs and fingers in the little holders here, it allows you to kind of fold this over. All right, and that's your fortune teller. Now next, you write numbers on all the sides, and I have one pre-made here. So they can pick a number, and then they pick another number. And let's say they pick number 5. So you lift it up, and it says study math. If they would have picked 6, that says visit Uncle Matt, and you can fill in the rest as you want. That's how to make a paper fortune teller. Yep. Thanks for watching.